Not really.
Is it all sand?
No.
It's rocky? Can you get out there?
Once you get to that part right there, it's just a little bit of reef, nothing big.
There's reef though?
No, not really. It's just not sand.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How far up you got? Or can you see?
Right to the line, swim area.
Wherever we snorkeled. I have a feeling this area there's nothing.
No, there's probably not much. That's all right though.
Yeah.
I just wanted to go see it.
Yeah.
I tried to go for
Yeah.
Thanks for making me feel safe. There's no critters in here.
Oh, there's definitely
There's
fish
critters.
down there.
Yeah. I'll go take a lap.
Yeah, I would too. You want to go look? Not really. Okay, well they're all.
Hey Alex, are you going up there?
Yeah, I'll bring some back.
You want to take it with you so you don't have to? No, I'll leave them on.
Are you going to use this?
Oh, okay.
Are you going to use this?
I just need a defaulter.